Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my sunflower strawberry tower that I made for my grandma's birthday. So here just gonna be some strawberries, some Chef Master candy color, sprinkles, chocolate, and toothpicks. And this is just a container I got from my local crafting store, and a cake board that I went ahead and cut down to the size and just hot glued it to the bottom. So I've already washed and air dried my strawberries. I'm just putting down my parchment paper and showing you guys my two different sizes of toothpicks that I'm using. So I'm just going to show you guys how I quickly dip these strawberries and cover them with sprinkles. Remember, before you put the sprinkles, let the strawberry dry down like about 10 seconds before you add them. That way they won't start dripping off the strawberry and making a big mess. So now I'm going to use my red candy color. I'm at about 1.5 drops to make it turn pink. So here I just got this styrofoam cone from Walmart and this cake board, which I cut down to the size of my cylinder. And I just went ahead and hot glued everything together. And now I'm cutting down my sunflowers to put them at the bottom rim of my cone. And you can put whatever type of flowers. You can use real flowers, fake flowers, anything you want. Just arrange them nice and pretty at the bottom. And I will try and link everything down below so you can find the stuff that I used. Okay, now that we're done putting the flowers, I'm going to start getting my strawberries and arrange them going up towards the top of the cone. So here, just make sure your toothpicks are always facing up slantwards. That way it holds the strawberry. When it comes to doing my strawberry towers, I always like to do the biggest, fattest strawberries at the bottom and use the smaller, thinner ones for the going towards the top. And on the cone, if you wanted to, you could coat it all in chocolate or spray it with that Wilton color mist if you don't want just the plain cone. It did take me 21 strawberries to make this one, but if you make a bigger one, you'll need around 24 strawberries. Remember guys, always be clean and sanitary. So if you're selling this to someone, wear gloves, cover the cone in chocolate or color mist. And these sunflowers, I have already washed them with hot water and soap. I let them soak for a little bit and then let them air dry so they feel nice and clean for the tower. And I found the best way for these strawberries not to drip down the cone is to let them be room temperature before you cover them in chocolate. And never decorate strawberries a day before or put them in the fridge because they will leak all over this tower. So it's best just to do on the day of, early in the morning, so it could be nice and ready and they will not leak and make a huge nasty mess. And I just like to make sure before I put the toothpick in to make sure those two strawberries will fit nice together. So I like to put them next to each other, see how they'll look before you poke it. Okay, and here I'm about to be done. I usually would put strawberries all the way to the top, but I just felt like putting more sunflowers because my grandma loves sunflowers. So here I'm just going to add them all the way to the top of my tower to cover any extra gaps. And now I'm just going to be getting my container and I'm putting it over. And at the bottom, I already put tape at the top. And I'm just going to secure the bottom with tape also. That way it's able to be carried easily and not tilt over. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope this video helped someone. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will leave the link down below for the cupcake bouquet that I made. I did just want to show you guys how they both came out together because I gave these both to my grandma.